using the X pad 2 to program a key for 2010, right? Honda Pilot. I'm gonna be adding a key, Bentley key. So turn off the ignition. This is turn the ignition on with the original key. Turn off the ignition. Turn the ignition with the new key within 20 seconds. So this is the new key. I'm going to put in the ignition. Turn it to the second position. Turn off the ignition switch. Turn on the ignition switch without changing the key. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the ignition. And as you can see, the green immobilizer light went out for the key. It asks me, is the immobilizer light out? Yes, it is. Turn off the ignition. Okay. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the ignition switch. Oh, with the original key. Ugh. Okay, so this is a continuation from the other video. This is showing how to program. I finished the customer's car a while ago, whatever, but I'm just gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. So basically, in order to program the remote, because with the key fob, with the fob itself, when you program it for the Honda Pilot, the 2010 and up, when you program it, it only programs the actual key itself. It doesn't program the buttons, the lock and unlock buttons and stuff for the vehicle. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's simple, it's super easy, but you would have to use a computer in order to do it. This one, you can't do it by putting the ignition onto the on position and then hit the button, then turn it off and turn it back on. No, this one works differently. This one, with the Pilots, you have to program it from a computer. So basically what you do is you just click on remote, and then you click on 9G, so it's the 9th generation. Then you click on add remotes, and then you click on you close all doors and then press OK. And then basically it's not going to show you here, but it failed to communicate because I don't have it connected to the car no more. So what it'll do is you go to this, and then you click on add remotes, and then as it says, close all car doors, and then press OK to continue. So after you hit OK, right, it'll say the remote you want to program, just hit a lock button, and then it'll cycle all the doors immediately as soon as you hit one button. So as soon as you press OK here, it'll say like I said, it'll say to set up the fob, you need to just hit one of the buttons on the remote. Boom, you just hit it once and it'll cycle all the locks automatically. So that's how you program the fob itself on the side. Sorry about the mix up, but yeah, that's how you do it. So it's as simple as just close all the car doors, press OK to continue. Then it'll say, off the back, it'll say just hit one of the buttons on the remote to sync it with the vehicle. You just hit one of the buttons and it'll sync it with the vehicle immediately, and all you hear, all the doors locked, and that's it. Boom, you're done. That's it. That's how you program the fob.